Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. And welcome back to your next English class. This is your Nupur ma'am. And this is running chapter Malgudi Cricket Club. I hope you remember that till here it was happened on the last day. And you remember the story, what was inside there. They had sent a letter about the goods which were the requirements for their cricket team. And till here it was happened, so you can see the line took Rajam took a vow that he would buy every bit that his team needed from this great firm, right? Okay, so see the next sentence, next part. There are so many paragraphs. Okay, see, there were 3 implications in this letter that filled Rajam and his friends with rapture. You remember Rajam and his friends, both all of them were writing a letter, right, at the moment. So there are 3 implications in this letter. 3 implications means indirect meanings. Okay, here all the meanings are written here by blue words. See, implications means indirect meanings. Rapture, there is a word rapture. Rapture means also written great happiness. Okay, next you can see His Majesty's. What is His Majesty's? See, King George VI, the then British ruler of India. Okay, now I am moving to the part. See, there were 3 implications in this letter. In that letter, 3 indirect meanings were there. Okay, which letter was filled? That letter filled Rajam and his friends with rapture, right? What letter they have written? So with a happiness, with a great happiness. There 3 indirect meanings were there. First, that His Majesty's Post Office recognized their team was proved by the fact that the letter addressed to the captain was promptly delivered to him. Okay, a post office, there you have seen the meaning. His Majesty's King George VI, on that moment it was written, right? So on that moment, then the British ruler of India. So on that moment, you know that in which time this was written. On that moment there was a British ruler in our India, right? So who is His Majesty's King George VI? Okay, so that His Majesty's Post Office recognized their team was proved by the fact, okay, that their team was proved already by the fact that the letter addressed to the captain was promptly delivered to him. Number 2, there were some indirect meanings. Okay, so what was the number 2? That they were really recognized by such a magnificent firm as Beans of Madras was proved by the fact that Beans cared to reply in a full letter and not on a card. They understood that they were recognized really that Beans, the Beans of the Madras was proved by and the fact, and Beans cared to reply in a full letter, not only a card, not also only a card. They will next line, actually type the letter. They will say the letter typed by typing. Okay, and number 3, why they should a letter? Because they understand that recognized by such a magnificent firm, the as Beans of Madras was proved by the fact. They understood that maybe their Beans was approved about by the fact, and that is why they were cared much about, right? As they understood that their team was already proved by the fact. Okay. Now what was the next 3? Number 3 was being sent under another cover carrying 4 annas. Annas means, it is written here, I hope you know, in old India on that moment 6.25 paise. Okay, so means what did they do? Means sent under another cover carrying 4 annas. carrying 4 annas, postage a huge catalogue. Okay, postage a huge catalogue. So what they sent, been sent under another cover carrying 4 annas, postage a huge catalogue. What a tribute. So what a grateful thing that they sent under another cover carrying how many annas? 4 annas. Okay, 4 annas, postage, a huge catalogue. Okay, next, the letter informed. So which letter they have sent? The letter informed the captain that Messrs. Beans thanked him for his letter and would be much obliged to him if he would kindly remit. Remit means send money. It is written also here. Okay, send money. So what was there inside the letter? There inside the letter it is an information given to the captain that Messrs. Beans thanked. As they got the letter, so they are thankful and they sent a thank to him, to the captain, for his letter and would be much obliged, would be much grateful. Obliged means grateful, thankful to him if he would kindly remit 20%, 25%. If he will send money at least 25% with the order, what kind of things they had ordered. So if they will send at least 25% of money and the balance could be paid against the VPP of the railway receipt. Okay, VPP of the railway receipt, since VPP stands for value payable post. Okay, the cost of the parcel to be paid when the bill for sending them by railways is sent by the post. Railway, what is happening, you know very well that railway send some goods from this portion to another city, another state. So there is a bill. So when you will get those goods, you can pay the rest of the money. Okay, so it is written here. So they told that they are obliged to get his letter, and if he would kindly send money now at least 25%, and after when they will get those requirements goods, on that moment they can pay the rest balance. Okay, three heads means Rajam, Swaminathan and Mani. Three heads burst over the meaning of this letter. They were trying to understand very promptly what is the meaning of the letter. The trouble was that they could not understand whether Beans were going to send the goods or not. But the trouble what was, they couldn't understand if or whether Beans were going to send the goods or not. Mani promised to unravel the letter if somebody would tell him what obliged meant. Mani was little bit promised to unravel the letter if anybody. Actually, they couldn't understand the meaning of obliged. So Mani was waiting that if somebody will say the meaning of obliged, then he could understand the meaning of the letter promptly. When they turned the pages of a dictionary and offered him the meaning, he was none the wiser. So to get that meaning, they took a dictionary and offered him the meaning. He was none the wiser. He felt that it was a meaningless word in that place. So he could not understand how to see the dictionary, and he didn't get the meaning. So what he thought that it was a meaningless word. One thing is clear, said Rajam. Rajam said, one thing is clear. Beans thanks us for our letter. So I don't think that this letter could mean a refusal to supply us goods. Rajam could understand little bit. Rajam was saying it is clear because Beans thanks us. Beans thanks us. So I don't think there should be any refusal about the goods to supply them. Right? Swaminathan agreed with him. Only Mani couldn't understand. Okay. And all of them couldn't understand properly. But Swaminathan and Rajam, they could understand that maybe he is not telling about the refusal of the goods, refusal to supply the good. Okay. Swaminathan agreed with him. That is right. If he did not wish to supply you with things, would he thank you? Swaminathan was telling, yes, really, I think also if he didn't wish to supply us the goods, so why did he say thank? He would have abused you. He scrutinized the letter again to make sure that there was no mistake about the thanks. They again saw the letter very well, and they saw, yes, thanks, this word was there. Why has a fool used this word? Mani asked. Mani was asking about that word obliged. So Mani told why those fools used this kind of word, obliged, referring to obliged, which he could not pronounce. It. It has no meaning. Is it trying to make fun of us? Mani is telling it, there is no meaning of this word. So what does he want to do? He wants to make us fun. He says something about 25%. I wish I knew what it was, said Rajam. But Rajam told, but he says in the letter about the 25%. So I can understand. I wish I knew what is what. Swaminathan could hardly contain himself. Swaminathan could hardly contain himself. I say, Rajam, I am surprised that you cannot understand this letter. You got 60% in the last examination. So, Swaminathan could hardly contain himself. And I say, Rajam, I am surprised that you cannot understand this letter. You got 60% in the last examination. Have you any sense in you? What has that to do with this? Even a BA cannot understand this letter. So, do you have that sense? If you can't understand, you have completed your BA examination, so you can't understand. BA means graduation, right? So, in the end, they came to the conclusion. In the end, they came to the conclusion that the letter was sent to them by mistake. At the end of the moment, they got a conclusion that maybe it was the letter which we got mistakenly, which they sent mistakenly. Okay. As far as they could see, the MCC had written nothing in their previous letter to warrant such expressions as obliged, warrant but deserve. Okay. Remit and 25%. Remit means send money, 25%. It could not be that the great firm of beings were trying to make fun of them. Okay, it could not be that the great firm of beings were trying to make fun of them. So they thought it is a procedure to make fun of us. So it is not a good way. So they were talking among themselves. Swaminathan pointed out to the captain MCC at the beginning of the letter. And Swaminathan pointed out to the captain MCC at the beginning of the letter, but he was told that it was also a part of mistake. This letter was put in a cover with a covering letter and dispatched. So this letter was put in a cover again and with a covering letter and dispatched, and the covering letter said, "We are very sorry that you sent me somebody's letter." They thought it was a letter of any other. So we are returning this somebody's letter. Please send our things immediately. They send, so we are returning the letter, but please send us the things immediately. Whatever we required, whatever we have told you about the requirements for the cricket team. Okay, so till here I have happened. I think till here it's done, and I think it is the last. Yes. So the chapter is completed right now. So I will come back with the question and answer on the next day. So wait for the next video. Till then, please read the chapter and read all the meanings. There are some new meanings, some new words. So read the spelling and read the meaning of all the words. Okay. So thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.